Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the M.2 SSD in your Dell Inspiron XPS. In this video, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete the upgrade successfully. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power in the device. Next, remove the back panel of your Dell Inspiron XPS. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Now, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually situated near the RAM slots. Carefully unscrew the securing screw that holds the existing SSD in place. If you are unsure about the location, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you are replacing an old SSD, ensure that you have backed up all your data beforehand. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle as the previous one, ensuring that the notches align correctly. Once it is securely in place, replace the securing screw to hold the SSD firmly. After installing the new SSD, it's time to reinstall the back panel. Carefully align it and screw it back into place, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly. This will help maintain the structural integrity of your laptop. Now, we need to install the operating system. Connect your laptop to a power source and turn it on. You may need to enter the BIOS settings by pressing a specific key during startup, usually F2 or Del. In the BIOS, ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If it is not, double-check your installation. Once confirmed, exit the BIOS and proceed to install your operating system. You can use a USB drive with the OS installation files. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. After the installation is complete, your laptop will restart. Make sure to check that everything is functioning correctly. You can also run a diagnostic test to ensure that the new SSD is performing as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you every step of the way. In summary, replacing the M.2 SSD in your Dell Inspiron XPS is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can enhance your laptop's performance significantly. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your upgrade. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.